used to sell the previous owners computers back in the day. They just said one day, hey, how about you come to work for us? We have a print shop. And I'm like, what's a print shop? You know, did not understand it. And so they said, hey, you just start from the ground up and learn. And or in as a delivery driver for 3 to 4 months, worked in bindery, and then worked my way up through sales. And then there was 3 owners, then there was 2 owners, and now there's 1 owner as of 7 years ago.
11 years ago, we were in an 18,000 square foot facility and moved into a 38,000 square foot facility. And when we did that, I remember saying, we'll never fill this place up with equipment. And a few years after that, then we blew out a hole in a wall, added another 9,000 square foot and said, okay, this is it, we'll never fill it up. And now we're at 100,000 square feet. And so with 100,000 square feet, we're basically allowed more equipment. And the goal in that is we're able to do more in-house. Over the previous years, as we continue to grow and going nationwide and work with customers all over across the country, we've had to figure out how do we be more efficient, how we provide a quality product. And working with Komori to find the right printing presses for us. We moved from a half-size press to 1 40-inch press, so that way we can do larger sheets, do larger publication runs, we can move faster, and also with the LED UV inks, it's allowed us to have a crisper look. Our uncoated sheets, we don't have to wait for it to dry, it's drying immediately for us. It's also got great finishing techniques that we're able to configure, from a reticulated varnish to a soft touch to a motion coat, all different things that we can have, and we're able to have these different embellishments on larger runs because we can move a lot faster. And after we got our first 40-inch press, a couple years later, we're ready for another 40-inch press. We brought in another 40-inch press.
And then in 2022, we figured out, hey, we need some more firepower, so we made the big jump to an 8-color Komori.
With the addition of an 8-color perfector, we're able to turn jobs a lot faster. We're able to have a quality piece, and all those things. You need all those things. You need it. It used to be you could only have one of the things. You can either have it fast, cheap, or quick. And so basically, in these days, you gotta have it all.
Before, we were running about 12,000 sheets an hour, single-sided. We're now running about 13,000 sheets, double-sided. So we have more than doubled our capacity in our new expansion with our 8-color.
And so we've got to be quality. We've got to do that in today's world. And so with the 8-color perfector, we're able to bring in jobs and get them through the shop. And then with having the other equipment in-house, we've got additional saddle stitching equipment. We've got a perfect binder in-house. We're able to take a job, print it, bind it, and mail it out all in just a few days and get it across the country so that our customers can have a piece and be a hero in their audience's eyes with their print collateral. 95% of our work is double-sided print, and we had just 2 40-inch presses where we'd have to basically run the sheet through, flip the pallet, and we'd have to run it back through there again, so it took a little bit longer. So with the 8-color perfector, we're able to run sheet through, it automatically flips over, prints the backside, keeps everything in line, and so it saves our time, our labor, as well as getting it through a lot faster as well.
But we've been a long time Komori user. We value that relationship, and we love our relationship with Komori. I've been involved in 3 of these installs, 2 40s and the 8-color. Everybody from the people y'all have installed that come and train and do the initial setup have actually become friends, and it's actually become that they want to come do the next install or a PM on our equipment. With our presses, we were just taught from in-house training. We haven't gone to the Komori training classes. We have on other pieces of equipment, but on the Komori side, they're so user-friendly that we just train from within. Another cool thing about our pressmen is their oldest pressman would probably be 45 years old, would be our oldest pressman. So the young people in bindery and the press are working their way up through the ranks and learning as they go. The Slate Group likes to be different. We like to stand out from the crowd, as we say.
Our goal is to create a relationship, not a transaction. By doing that, it's not just waiting for them to give us a call. It's not waiting to hear from them next year. We're talking to our customers on a weekly basis. It may not even be about print or projects. It may be just checking in how the family's doing.
This is the truth about what I come to work for in the morning, is just to make the customers happy, and good or bad. Some mornings we'll have an issue that we have to address, but we're still here at 6 o'clock in the morning addressing it, letting them know, hey, I've taken care of it. We will make it right. Don't worry, I got you.
Coming here at Slate Group, we can do whatever we want to do. We can create whatever we want to. We've always done it this way. The best question we get from our customers, it's not, here's an order. It's, hey, what do you got for me? That's where I find passion. And that's where all the way through our company, everybody finds that excitement whenever we're able to create something that just brings a smile to someone's face.